Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you had a great weekend. Well, my name is Victor Kwejer, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with business building blocks, episode 35 for 2023. Now, the past is where you learn the lesson. The future is where you apply the lesson. Don't give up in the middle. This is by an unknown author. Now, as long as you're attempting something, you are bound to fail in some of the projects. This is normal in the process of life, be it creating and establishing businesses or any worthwhile organization of yours. The key is to make a conscious effort to seek out the lessons in each failed case or attempt and learn from it. This affords you a unique opportunity to take another step forward into the future with better informed approach and strategy for success. Always remember, failure is normal and an opportunity to apply the lessons learned in the future. Don't give up hope just because you failed. It is an opportunity for you to learn a lesson for a better future for yourself. I hope this inspires and encourages you this Monday morning. And just before you go, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur seeking to start your own business or grow your existing business or expand, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than glad to consult you and help you. And get ready for the podcast, which I'm so excited about and is going to finally launch soon. And if you are seeking to become an author in 2023, do take advantage of our book writing workshop, which is on the 18th of March. It's an online workshop, so you get to partake of it from anywhere in the world at 8 p.m. GMT online 2023, where you get to learn so much from my experience and the system that I've put in place to help so many other authors in writing their books. I'm going to teach you the 10 strategies to help you to write your book in 10 days. And I mean it. Check the reviews so far for those who were part of the first section, and it was very helpful to them, and I'm sure it's going to do more for you as well. Get in touch, sign up, check the description section, and sign up for the book writing workshop. And continue to subscribe to the channel, like and share the post. And if you have any thoughts, share it in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to work with you. Thank you, and God richly bless you.